Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the BigPassport Pro Live N2 webcam. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself. There's some BigPassport branding at the bottom, the Pro Live series branding on the top, and on the top right, we can see that it is a full HD 1080p camera. On the left hand side of the package are some of the salient features, so let's go through that. It has an LED touch light. It has USB plug and play. It has a built-in microphone. It has face optimization, and it also has a flexible stand. On the right-hand side of the packaging, it shows off the various applications and operating systems that it can work with, like Skype, Zoom, iOS, Windows, and Microsoft Teams. On top, we have some more BigPassport branding. On the bottom, we have the BigPassport website. On the back of the package, we have some technical specifications. The sensor on this camera is a 1/3 inch CMOS 2 megapixel Sony sensor. The lens is a 2 megapixel 4.1 mm H67 lens. The highest resolution is 1920 by 1080p. Image frame rate is 1080p at 30 frames per second. In terms of audio encoding formats, it has a USB microphone that can record audio at MJPG, YUY2 and H.264. The operating systems that it can work with are Windows, Android, Linux, Mac, and multiple other operating systems. In terms of operating temperatures, it can work at temperatures at -10 degrees C to 60 degrees C. And when it comes to the power, it works on DC 5 volts or 160 mA. Right here we have some importing and manufacturing information. Below that we have the customer service information. On the right hand side we have the warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Below that we have the contact details for the customer support, and we have already seen the BigPassport website. On the bottom we can also see that the product is BIS certified. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. So let's see what we get. We get some literature in the form of a thank you note and warranty information. And we have the quick start guide. This should help you get started off with using the product. We also get this mini tripod which has extendable legs in case you need a place to mount the webcam on. The tripod also has a ball mount on the top where you can basically put the webcam and adjust it in any way you need it to. Coming to the webcam itself, we can see that it has a white finishing right around the center. The webcam is in the middle, and there's a grill around the sides. In the middle, we can see a design pattern that is circular. On top, we have the symbol of a bulb. Basically, this tapping it over here should switch on the light on the front. We also have the clip, and it has some soft insides which will help with protecting any surface that you clamp this onto from scratches. It can be folded like this, and we have a 1/4 inch screw mount at the bottom where the tripod can be placed. On the back we have a diagonal lined pattern, and then we come to the cable. We have a black round cable with a USB type A interface, and in terms of length, the cable seems to be approximately 1.5 meters long. So this was the unboxing of the BigPassport Pro Live N2 web camera. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.